Ayokaka sango ya Lubamba, ingomba oyo ya bana mboka. Nakutana na Pambinyo, ayebisinga zonga mboka. Natunie sango ya Lubamba, alobisinga maloba oyo. Yango na zonga mboka, kusala bilanga kobokolo bibwele. Avenir ya Afrika, ekuhuta sena mabele. Nayokaka sango ya Lubamba, imbuka ketoka esingola. Nakutana na Fernando, ayebisinga zonga mboka. Natunie sango ya Lubamba, ayebisanga maloba oyo. Yango na zonga mboka, kusala bilanga kobokolo bibwele. Avenir ya Afrika, ekuhuta sena mabele. Oye! Que viva África! Yeah! Nayokaka sango ya Lubamba, imbuka ketoka esingola. Nakutana na Fernando, ayebisinga zonga mboka. Natuna ye sango ya Lubamba, ayebisanga maloba oyo. Yango na zonga mboka, kusala bilanga kobokolo bibwele. Avenir ya Afrika, ekuhuta sena mabele. Lubamba! Oh yes! Lubamba, lwatunge ndo, lwatunge mbanza, ambuta iya leke yaya. Lubutiki kumavaka, twenda sodi na sole, twatome sensi, tieto ya Kivu ila yaya. Lubamba, lwatunge ndo, lwatunge mbanza, ambuta iya leke. Tukinuma bata twenda sudi na sole. Twatome sensi, tieto ya Kivu ila yaya. Lubamba, lwatunge ndo, lwatunge mbanza, utaiya leke. Aya! Ezombo ditele tunga la kikolonia, ya masinga ngani, azombo kikulu. Aye. Ezombo ditele tunga la kikolonia, ya masinga ngani, azombo kikulu. Ezombo ditele tunga la kikolonia, ya masinga ngani, azombo kikulu. Aha. Ezombo ditele tunga la kikolonia, ya masinga ngani, azombo kikulu. Lubamba, lwatunge nzo, lwatunge mbanza, utaiya leke yaya. Lubutukinuma bata, twenda soli na sole, twatome sensi, tieto ya Kivu ila yaya. Lubamba, lwatunge nzo, lwatunge mbanza, utaiya leke yaya, Fernando. Ezombo ditele tunga la kikolonia, ya masinga ngani, azombo kikulu. Ezomo ditele tunga la pikolonia ya masinga ngadi azombo kikuyu. Nayo kaka sango ya lubanga imbuka keto ka esingola. Nakutana na Fernando ayebisinga zonga mboka. Natuna yesango ya lubanga ayebisinga maloba oyo. Yango na zonga mboka kusala bilanga ngobokolo biwele. Aveni ya Afrika ekuta sena mabele.
Are you sick of having issues with your webinars, wasting tons of time on troubleshooting with attendees? If so, you need StreamYard On Air.
Ongeye pangyame ya mbula uwezo Onterado kumenga mamosi Kikundi kajenwa yonge Denta vokukele sije mwendo Mokena yendenta compadre Pintu kakanda toma fukila Oke wa uko tumukini uzowa Badanga nandenta kemanta jijiko Mayala lele Tatuzola ziana Compadre Tatuzola ziana Isasilenge kanda wenye kwa ndenda Monterado Kewada kile kumbani tuzola ziana Kintuka makanda Kete kasikila makuku matatu Utusale Kenda wele kwa niyaya Wabopela bandongi yaya Wanyi kakangula Wabopela bandongi yaya Wanyi kakangula Tuzola ziana Kama wila anga matamu Kiendi na mwendo kwe Keba ukusero muka ya Keba na yoe Keba ukukashe Badi kiendi na mwendo kwe Keba ukulana mama Keba na yoe Keba ukukashe Mangwana yaya Konzo ganye Isikimbu kwa dunga Namba soso kika matamu Mangwana yaya Winu makokola Mwenda kimene Mwana kimbu kwa dunga Mwandika sanza Kulinekaji Kuna milunga Mungu sondo Mwila bebe Isikimbu kwa dunga Kuna mbeu Kuna kipokolo Emalo mapunga Kuna mbeu Kuna makera Kiendi Na maende kwe Kila ukuselu ya Keba na yoe Keba ukukashe Badi kiendi Na mwendo kwe Keba ukulani mama Keba na yoe Keba ukukashe Mangwana yaya Konzo ganye Makela mukaba Isikimbu kwa tunga Namba soso Kika matamu Mangwana yaya Winu makokola Mwenda kimene Mwana kimbu kwa tunga Mwandika sanza Kulinekaji Kuna kangola Mungu sondo Ema mwana yaya Kuna kipokolo Ema lo makuka Kuna makela Kiendi Kiambote.
Kiambote Zampanzo.
Mute.
Kiambote Zampanzo.
Oh, Kiambote. Tutondele. Let me just greet the audience. Welcome, Gizambote. Gizambote means welcome. This is a Kikongo class. Kikongo is the language of Congo Kingdom, spoken in Angola, Gabon, the DRC, and the Republic of Congo. Tutondele. We're going back to basics. Totally. You're going back to basics.
Okay.
You can relax today. Don't worry.
I think I'm good with my basics.
Sorry.
No, I said I'm good with my basics, so I'm ready to take the challenge on.
Okay. Next time. Okay. I mean, okay. Let's hop up. Tata Lingua card is coming. But Tata Davis is coming. Sorry. Okay. Tutondele. Yes. Thank you very much for the time. Lingua Tadiwa. That Alain. You know it's Sunday. Okay. This is the first ever. Let's. Can you see my screen? No, it's not moving.
No, it's not moving. No.
Oh no, what's happening? Okay, we're sorry. Let me just do it again. Something's going wrong here. Look, I think I did click on wrong. What do you call it? This should be the one. Yes. Yes. Okay. Good. Yes. Kiambote. Kiambote. Are you there? Yeah. No. We you read for me on this. It is displayed on the screen. Can you read, please?
Okay. Kiambote, how are you?
Yeah. Yes. Okay.
Literally out of goodness.
Yes. How are you? Yes. Kiambote. Remember, we have two words. Kiambote, Tatale. What are they? Tatale.
What? Kia and Mbote?
Well done, yes. Because in Kikongo, I mean, I'm not a linguist. They decide. That's what this. What's happened. All the words are many. You see, in one word you can have three in one. Yes. Kikongo Kiambote. Kiambote. Kiambote is hello. But when you say something is good, how do you say it? Something is good.
Is that Diambote?
Yeah, Diambote, yes. Yes, well done. You could say Kiambote, but Diambote is fine. You could say Kiambote. You could say depend. Let me just try to display my. Well done. That's why hence you need to remember there are two words in Kiambote. Greeting, yes? Kiambote. Let me just try to help here. Kima Kiambote. Voilà. I'm speaking French. Kima Kiambote. Kima Kiambote. Any idea? Nengotadiwa. How do you translate it into English? Kima Kiambote.
Oh, Tuna Kiambote, we are doing good. We are good.
Kima. Okay, not your fault. Let me just try to explain. It's me. You can blame it on me. I don't. Tatale. Yes. This is Kikongo, see? Our usual hello, yeah? Kiambote, but here, Kima means objects, something. Then I say Kima Kiambote, I mean, Tatale. Kima Kiambote. Kima is objects, things. Kima Kiambote.
Okay, well, it's good or
Yeah, something good, yeah. Good objects for me. Something nice, good, yeah. Is it clear totally? I just want to get this. When you
yeah.
say usual Kiambote, it's a greeting, yes?
Mhm.
That's why I said that we have two words in Kiambote, Mbote and Kia. Mm. In Lingala, when they say Mbote, they say hello. It's not Lingala, it comes from Kikongo. Mm. They drop Kia, then they say Mbote. It is Kikongo. Then go tell you, are you there? Yes. Then go tell you,
I'm following.
sorry. Did you?
Yes, I'm here.
Yeah. Mbote in Lingala comes from Kikongo, yes? Because
Yes.
normally the proper Lingala, hello, Lingala is Losaku. This one, yes? Mm. This one only proper Lingala. Okay, proper Lingala. Let's say proper Lingala. There's no proper Lingala quote and quote because it is a Creole, yes?
Mhm.
Certain questions. Kiambote.
No question.
Yeah, good. Kiambote. Mm. Uh, good boy. Okay, let's put in English. Good boy. Certain in Kikongo. Good
Mm,
boy.
One number.
Or you could say good son, good baby. I don't want to give you the word. I don't know. Good boy. Mm. Then
uh,
I know you know it. Mm. Don't go far. By boy, I mean. Let put it. I just try to help here. Good baby. Yeah, yes. That should be. I think this how you get it. That's the name of you. A good baby.
Is it
Behavior wise.
Mwanambote?
Sorry.
Is it Mwanambote?
Well done.
Mwanambote.
Certainly.
yeah.
Mwanambote. Yeah. Mwanambote. Mwanambote. Yes.
Dr. Mpanzu, I have a question.
Go ahead, please.
Is it possible when you're writing Mwana, do you write Muana or MW?
Always write it like this. Yeah. W. Yes.
Okay.
Always because according to African Bantu, African linguists, I can't remember the rule, but you should have two vowels together. Yes. Certainly. You should have two vowels. Not when I say two vowels, I mean some vowels they don't go together. Yes.
Okay.
Mm. You use a W, Moana. Mm. Mind you, when a Portuguese pronounce your name, if you write a Portuguese person, when you write the Moana, listen carefully. It will. I mean, the way they pronounce it, it will sound Muana. You know what that is?
Mhm.
Yeah. Because of you. That's all. Mm.
Uh-huh.
Muana, but we mean Moana. Yes. You know what that is? Mm. Angola national currency, Kwanza. Yes.
Kwanza.
Kwanza. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. I think you have the same word in. Is it Zambia or Zimbabwe? Kwanza. Someone. Yes. No, I think in Zambia they use Mwanza. Yeah. No. Mwanza.
Yeah, I think it's Zambia.
Mwanza. Yes. Okay. Are we okay on this one? Let me put back my original slide. Let's do this. Yes. As I said to the French class I was teaching, I was saying that this is not the standard way of learning Kikongo. I mean, not standard class. It is a virtual class. The most important here is for us to master even 5 or 10% of Kikongo. Anyway, the thing you're learning, make sure you just master one aspect of something, because it's very hard, almost impossible to learn everything at the same time. We're coming once a week, so see. Certainly, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, don't worry about it. You're doing well. We're doing our best. Can't do the impossible. Okay, where's my phone? I've lost again. Sorry. Oh no. Lundoloka. Who can translate my word? Lundoloka. 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 I'm going to tell you Lundoloka.
Lundoloka.
Mm-hmm.
Doesn't that mean you are excused?
Lundoloka. I'm begging for pardon. Lundoloka.
Oh, I'm begging you.
No, I'm just. I haven't answered the question. Lundoloka. Lundoloka. Loloka is the verb to forgive, yes? When I say lundoloka, let's put back my. I'm sure you know that.
Does it mean you are forgiven?
Sorry?
You are forgiven.
This is a request. A request.
Okay.
And does it mean can you forgive me?
Well done, yes. Forgive me, yes. Let me just put back. Lundoloka. I'm putting back my. Tatane. Lundoloka. This is Kikongo. I'm not. I keep saying I'm not a linguist. This is how you write Kikongo. Basically, here we have what is LU? Tatane. LU.
You.
Yeah, you many.
You mean yeah.
Yes. Here, this is Kikongo. Peculiar, but this is Kikongo. We have ND here, and this N is me, first person singular, yes? You many forgive me, Lundoloka. Loloka, to forgive. Yeah. To forgive.
So, how would you use this versus Kediambuko?
I don't think they're related, Kijam, because
Okay.
to forgive. Yeah, to forgive. I'm going to tell you my questions.
Yes, I have a question, Tatampandu. Remember the song that you played before the lesson started?
Yeah.
They kept repeating this word called Lubamba. Lubamba. What does Lubamba mean?
Lubamba. Yeah. Wow. You have a good ears. Lubamba. Read. Let me try to bring something here. Read. Yeah. Lubamba. Tatan, read. Lubamba. Yeah. Lubamba. Where's the picture? Tatan, do you know Mbangu?
Who?
Mbangu. It is our traditional plate.
No.
Okay. Well, let me try to share a page. Good question, I'm going to tell you, by the way. Thank you very much. Lubamba.
Because I was wondering, what does Lubamba?
Where is it here? Lubamba. Oh no, this one is freezing. No. No. This is Lubamba, yes? Tatane, can you see?
Yeah.
Lubamba. See the traditional. Let me just bring something here.
Is that wheat?
Don't worry about don't worry about the food. We'll take about the. Let me just bring something. Uh, uh, mm, pan. Is it pan? Pan. I think it's pan. I can't find it. Do you remember traditional baskets? People, the way they weave basket.
Do you mean straw?
Go again. Say it again.
Do you mean
Straw.
straw?
Straw. Yes. That's word. STAW. Yes.
Yeah.
Straw. Yes. Yeah. Lubamba. Basically, that on that song, he's saying he's talking. I mean, it is a poet. He's talking about poetry. Yes. He's talking about being together. Together, bond. We have a bond like something. How should I put it? Yes, we should we have a bond. As a brother, we should love each other. Yes, yes. Is it okay, Tatanis?
Yeah.
Lubamba, yeah, Lubamba. We need to be together. Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, no worry. Basically, he said that we should being glued. Yes, glue. Because this one is like a tailor. You making your fabric. Yeah, you put it together. Yes. Okay. Let us move to the next one. I keep losing my the bomber straw. Yes. Okay. Tata, father, sir, but yes, father, sir. I mean, the connotation father, but you should say se, 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 because Durban we say Sediame, my dad, Sediame. Are we okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
That is.
Yes, I understand.
Nengwa. Here we have two words, yes. Ne, meaning could be dear or honorable lady, yes. Because ngwa is a contraction of ngudi, yes. Not really contraction, but it's called contraction, but it comes from ngudi, ngwa, nengwa. This is very important to understand. Nengwa, dear lady, honorable lady, because ngwa, when we say ngwa kazi, we mean ngwa is the lady, kazi is a honorable title as well. Hard to explain. I keep asking my advisors, but no one comes with a clear explanation. But this is the best we can have. Yes, yes, ne.
Yeah.
Nengwa. We say ne Congo, honorable citizen, Congo citizen, honorable citizen of Congo Kingdom. Is it clear?
Yes.
Are you there? Okay. Hello, yes.
I'm writing now.
Hello, yes. But sometimes, I mean, people say ingeta instead of yes. We understand. We know what they mean. This happened to any language, where there's always flexibility. Ingeta. This is the word. Ingeta, certainly. Yes. Ingeta. Yes, indeed. Ve. There, some people say katu. Katu, totally, you understand the word? Katu.
Yes. Katu.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, katu, you could say no for katu. Katu is nothing. I mean, zero. There's nothing. Yes. Empty, yes. But you could use it for there. Salakiambote. Goodbye. Someone, you are leaving, you say, yes.
I have a question. I
Go ahead.
remember watching one of Mariana Samba's videos, and at the end of the video, she said "iyoyo." What does "iyoyo" mean?
Yo-yo. Yeah, I think yo-yo is common to many African Bantu language. Yo-yo means bye. Goodbye. Yo-yo. I think it is common in some Bantu languages. I think Kimbundu, Angola, we say the same.
Yes, it's a common word, but I think it's used differently.
Yeah, yo-yo, yo-yo. Salakiambote. I say Salakiambote. I'm leaving, and the person staying. What do they say? What are you going to say if you're staying? I'm leaving and say when the Cambo. Yes. When the Cambo. One person, many people should be.
New.
Yeah, Luenda Cambo, oh Luenda Cambo, the Luenda Cambo, the Luenda Cambo, yes. When the Cambo, yeah, goodbye, said by the person leaving, I mean staying. Nusala, oh Lusala, same thing. Nusala Cambote, stay well. Respect, yes, to many people, to the elder, senior. Yes, Nuenda Cambodia, many, Nuenda or Luenda. Nuenda. Yes, Nuenda Cambodia. Kediambuko. Kediambuko. You could say Kevena Diambuko or Kediambuko. Kevena Diambuko. Kevena Diambuko. Translation to that. Kevena Diambuko.
Oh, well, you said never mind or Kevena Diambuko? I'm not.
Yeah, never mind. Yeah, it's fine. Kevena Diambuko. Kevena Diambuko. I want to. Kevena Diambuko. Kevena Diambuko. It's correct. Kevena Diambuko. Never mind. But get this. Kevena Diambuko. Diambu, you know, you have your Kevena. Hard to translate. And that's what you. The best way to understand it is always put it into context. If you put a word in a sentence, easy to understand. Vena means there is nothing. Yeah. Vena, Kevena Diambuk, there is nothing. Yes. If I see venayento, I want to write the whole sentence here. Venayento. You know what to means? Good word, write it down. Venayento. This is, I wouldn't say name, this is a Kikongo, 18th century Kikongo. Yeah, Professor T Kikongo.
So what does that mean?
Venayento, there is a fountain. To mean fountain. NTO, yeah, fountain. Think what that is? Basically, I mean to translate to just there is a fountain. Yes. Venayento. There is a fountain. Yes.
Venayento.
Yeah. Question. Let me tell you. Venayento. To.
How do you use lender in the not the negative sense but positive sense? How do you use
You
lender?
want to go back to lender? Okay. you don't want to relax today, okay? Okay. Let's give it to Bob Tatalem. Can you come? Kikongo Tatalem, please.
Can you come? Is it
Yeah.
what is it?
I'm trying to answer. Trying to give an answer to Nengo Teddy.
Linda Quiza?
Well done, yes. Nengo Teddy. Yes.
Okay. So lender doesn't change. It's just
Yeah, lender is your CAN,
auxiliary.
yeah, Ken, yeah? Can you come? Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So,
Okay.
I can't come. Let me tell you over to you. I can't come.
Kilendi Kwizako.
Yes, so lender is your CAN. And another use of lender, the other meaning, let me tell you, special meaning. Wait there. We were talking about the special meaning. Yeah. Can you explain it, the special meaning of lender?
What is it? Is it the special wife or something like that?
Yeah, there must be love now.
Yeah.
You know, in African tradition, okay. You understand? In the village, kaka. A man may have a few wives. Yeah? Lenda is the most beloved one. Usually is. Let me tell you.
You said usually the youngest wife.
Yeah, the youngest. Yeah, the third one usually. I mean the last. The youngest. Yes. Sorry, we're talking about African tradition. Yeah. Don't get me wrong, guys. Yes.
Of course.
Yambote, yeah, good, right? Yambote. Away, yes. Away, my goodness, yes. Away, my goodness. Akwe, where? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where? Akwe. Ekumanki. 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 Kuman, the reason why? Why? Can you read this, please?
Kwaukoe.
Kiwaukoe.
Kiwaukoe.
But it will sound like Kiwakwe.
Yeah. Kiwaukoe.
Yeah, it should sound like Kiwakwe. Okay. Here, just using. Where's my pointer? Sorry. Kiwakwe. Here, just using. Ignore you, yeah? Just wa. Kiwakwe. 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 Santuka. When do you say Santuka in Kikongo? To whom?
You said when a child sneezes.
Yes, very good, well done. Tatana, did you get it?
Yep.
We don't, I mean, traditionally speaking, we're talking about Kikongo, Bakong in the village. Great.
So is it only said to a child or to any person sneezing?
That is actually what I want to explain. That yeah,
okay.
Only to a child, to Bakong people. I mean, Nowadays we copy, but in our tradition, you are blessing a baby because uh, when they sneeze, you say bless you, son to come, I mean to grow up, be blessed. But when they sneeze, you understand that they are well because no more reaction, isn't it? Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You give you bath. You have a baby bathing. The child bathing the child. Then when they sneeze, they say, "Oh, bless you." Okay, you are well. You are reacting well. I mean, bless you. Be strong. Then go tell you, yes.
Yes. I understand.
One day should say that Santuka, yeah?
So, so there is no such thing for adults, then, right?
Sorry?
If an adult sneezes, then there's not a
No,
word.
you could say that. We say that, but we say that because, okay, we live modern times, but originally, no. Yes, our great they only said that to baby. Yes. Undoloka. Yeah, forgive me.
So okay, so undoloka versus lundoloka, the one we reviewed. What's the difference? One is I know you said
You,
lu
you,
is
you,
for
you tell me. You should tell me because
no, yeah,
that's the
lu
point.
is forgive me. I guess you said many,
You
right?
people, you many,
Yeah, you
forgive
meant
me.
okay. So undoloka is just to an individual person.
Good question. Happy that you brought that up. Yes, let me try to explain it. Thank you for bringing that up, Tatale. Then what I feel you can explain. Tatale, you're able to explain this. Remember, when we were talking about the personal pronoun. Yes, the first one is your personal pronoun. Can you see
Yeah.
the vowel you? Which one is it? Hmm.
Yes.
Oh, you mean what? Which one is what? Which one is a
The
U?
first vowel on the U, up U, yeah. It is a single. It is the first
Yeah,
one, the second.
well, it's second singular.
Yes, yes. You talking to someone. You forgive me. Yes. Mm.
Okay.
You undologa. This is the first. You second. Sorry, second singular. But and here, remember, rule of thumb. Congo Kikongo. First person singular is always nasal. Yes.
Yeah.
I mean, it is a tonal language. This is me. This is I. Yeah. You. I forgive. I mean, you forgive me. Yes.
Okay.
Then what I do? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, undoloka. Yeah. Away over vele. What did you say? Vova is the verb. Vova. Mm. Tata Allen, same question. Asking Tata Nengotadi, are you many? What did you say? You many?
Away Luvovele.
Bravo. Yes. Rhetorical. We. Tata Allen.
Away Duvovele.
Yes, that's well done. You make sure you keep. Yeah, you're doing well. Yeah, remember your uh, plural. Let's take a plural. Yeah, personal pronoun, plural. Then what I do? Yes?
Yes.
Then what I do?
Yes.
Yes, now further plural. Then what I do?
Okay. Away bavovele.
Yeah, well done, yes. Question, totally.
No, no question.
Yeah, yeah, doing well. I mean, you know the basics, yeah? You are very good. You know your basics. You just put your grip on that, yeah? You know it is there. It will be there forever. Yeah. Kiwidiko. Wa is your to hear. To hear. Wa, W-A, the verb. Kiwidiko. Remember, this is Kikongo. How you write Kikongo? Here we have three words, yes. We have a Kiko, double negative, then the verb is there in the middle. Clear? Then what tell you?
Yes.
Your verb is here.
Yes, it's clear.
Kiwidiko. Kiko. Kiwidiko, yes. Enkumbwa me. Now I'm going to test you. Ekumbwa me. The question should be Ekumbwa kunani. Ekumbwa kunani. Ekumbwa me, your answer. Ekumbwa me so and so. Now Tatane, we asking about third person. What is his name? Tatane is. Ame Aku Andy Ena will always be there. Yeah. As soon as I see Ame, remember the six. There are six.
So Kumbandi, no, Kumbandi.
Bravo. Yeah, Kumbandi Nani. Yeah, Kumbandi Nani. Yeah. Yes. Yes. It doesn't sound nice, but just let's practice this. Then we'll tell you third, second plural, asking you, what is your name, you many? Remember, Ame Aku.
Okay, Enkumbueto.
You
bueno,
many.
Sorry,
Yes, good, yes. Bueno nani. Yeah, that does not sound good, but this is it. Grammatical speaking is fine. Yes. Rhetorical, that's we. What is our name?
Kumbueto.
Well done, Kumbueto nani. Yes, well done. Let's call it today. You done well. Okay, we should stop there. And let us tell you a question.
I have no more questions.
Thank you very much. I can rest. Okay, that's good. Okay, at least we are safe on that. We are fine, and that's good.
Yeah.
Then good, yeah. I think next time Saturday they're not here today. Nengwa Daniel, David are not here anyway. Tutondele. Thank you very much again for your time. Luenda Kiambote.
Musala Kiambote.
Tutondele. Yo, eh? Nengwa tell you.
Yo, yeah.
There's another word. Okay, she's good. Okay. Okay, never mind. There's another word, Mfoko. Mfoko means end. Mfoko.
Mfoko.
Mfoko. M-F-O-K-O. End, yes.
Okay.
No problem. Tutonde tatane. Wenda Kiambut.
Musala Kiambut.
Kietu yangani kawa uko iwao bongole meso mwene isibuli matu uwidi ikonzo dieno Keno luvo vangabo Congo diafwa Keno luvo vangabo Congo diafwa Bizatala kwenwe Eyala kulu Bizatala kwenwe Ekulungi mikansi Congo diatungwa Keno luvo vangabo Congo diafwa Keno luvo vangabo Congo diafwa Bizatala kwenwe Eyala kulu Bizatala kwenwe